Alright, as y'all can see, we got a freaking big boy. Southland Assortment 710. That's crazy. I'm gonna need a rock. So I'm gonna get this. Thank you, Mother Nature. We're just gonna cut in this mother trucker. Okay. Before we get into this, let's look at the artwork really quick. Let me get my freaking, there it goes. What is it called? Thumbnail. There you go. There's my thumbnails, y'all. But as you guys can see, they got they got a poop load of cakes in this bad boy. So here's the brand. I never seen that poop before. And look how many cakes you get though. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cakes. Not even including to know that's 4 500-gram cakes, and the rest is gonna be 200-gram cakes. So let's just jump right into it. The artwork is sick. Yeah. This is the top right here. Freaking fat ass box too. Here's the other side, same like the front, same like the other side. Like I said, there's the top. We're gonna jump into this. Just y'all, you can see. Make sure you guys check out the previous videos if you guys haven't already. Oh, it's crazy ass artwork. Let me place this on the floor actually. Oh shit, that's heavy. Oh damn. It might be kind of hard to tell right now, but let me put this light on. You can see now. You can see all the holograms. So these cakes are hologram, and it's pretty cool. It's funny how it's all like this type of style, like cowboys and Indians, and then the side is all like LA. I don't really understand just yet, but we will together. If it doesn't matter, it's fine. I mean, yeah. Here's the first one. I'll go over it shortly. I just want to pull these bad boys out. Here's the other one. Quick to sick. Let me put this in my vehicle. Get this shit out of the way. Oh, these are the bigger ones. Okay, so they're not, I guess it's like a 350. I thought they were like a bigger 500. I'll put this right here. So this is the setup right here so far. And then this is else what you get. Oh, this is sick. Okay. What the fuck? You get hella shit. Damn. And for the price too, it's worth it. So pretty cool price. Pretty cool products. Oh, they got the Batman. Hell yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, I know what I'm working with now. Okay, I see what you did. I guess whatever I said in the beginning with 500s and 200 grams, I take that shit all back. They're all different. Damn, not to mention some of these freaking bastards have some weight. What the fuck? Not even gonna lie about that. All right, empty box. Ah, no, just kidding. I'm gonna leave it right there for now. But okay, let's check out the line now. Fucking rocks. All right. I know everybody likes to start with the little ones, but not on this channel. We're gonna do the freaking big ones first. Put these little ones right here for now. As I'm doing this, I'm all out of breath. Make sure you guys check out my recent videos so you guys can see some crazy stuff like this, just kind of random. Trying to be the first ones to post this shit for you guys to enjoy. So we got the first one coming up, Howdy. Pretty sick artwork. I think they're all hologram. Just can't tell because I turned off my light, but you seen earlier. Right off the bat too, just the feel, I guess you can say, it's very nice and slick. It feels like it's very slicky, I guess. It's really nice. There's a brand right there, Golden Rush. Never heard of it. Quality is very nice. You got a nice shot. I want to see the bore size. Let's see what we got going on in this little trucker. Oh, this is nice. I feel like a kid. Okay, so this is how they're doing it. And I'm pretty sure they're all like that. Oh, these are full. What the fuck? Bro, these are sick. Okay. Yeah, these are almost to the rim. So that one's like that. Here's the next one. I was about to open it up. Next one's gonna be this one. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. My mom used to say that shit. Oh, you know what? I didn't even go. Sorry, I'm over here tripping. Sorry. There you go. You guys can read it. Pause it or do whatever you want to do. Same artwork for all around 360. Oh, shit. Here's the other one, too, as y'all can see. Pretty insane. 9 shots. It shows you how... Wait, how is the fuse in? Because it's talking about professional. Oh, just a regular fuse. Okay. Hold your horses. Let's open this bad boy up. Ow. This wrapping's thick, bro. That's crazy. So this is your hold your horses right here. Pretty much full. Just like damn. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, those are beautiful. Howdy. And then Jack of Diamonds. Pretty sick. Pretty interesting artwork. It's like animated. Here's the back too. Okay. Let's get it right into it. Like Chinese anime cowboys, very unique. Also too, very full. That's crazy, man. What the heck? All right. This one was pretty interesting. Above snakes. They're all gonna be 9 shots too. I thought they were 500 grams. They're a little bit bigger than a. I mean, sorry, they are a little smaller than a 500. Like what would you say? Like a 350? Is that what it is? In my opinion, or just a little tad bigger as a 200. It's like two 200s in one. So here's the, what is it called? Above snake. Pretty sick artwork. Same shit too, full. It just looks amazing with the sky. Damn. Okay. Cinematic full. Let's turn this off. Let me turn it off. Let's turn this to the side. You got. Nice. You guys can see the difference. So here's the side, so you guys know what is what. You guys can pause it or reverse it, but here's the sides. If you don't know, you can pause and zoom in. If you guys didn't know that about YouTube. Okay, so these are gonna be the finale ones. One thing too, I also noticed is you're gonna get 4 of the larger cakes. You're gonna get 4 as well too, the medium-sized cake, and then 4 more of like the smallest typical size of a 200-gram cake, which we'll get shortly. Let's go to the medium size. Here's this one. It's freaking cowboy in the bar. Let's do a little comparison so you guys can see. These are gonna be, oh shit, these are 16 shots. So you guys can see the comparison. Like I said, you can pause it. If necessary, you can zoom in on YouTube. You know what's crazy? This bigger one is a lot lighter. Well, not that much, but it's a little lighter than this one. It's noticeable. This is heavy. Yeah, these are heavier. Okay, so I guess these are going to be the bangers. Let's check out the artwork too. Same thing. It feels good out here. Shit. On the side note of fireworks, it feels very good. Let me just bring this box this way. Throw my trash. Here's my proof. I wasn't joking around when I said I don't really litter. Ah! It's from the other cakes and shells and stuff. Okay. Nice has colors. Oh. Oh, nice. Those echoes are crazy. Yeah, besides it feeling good, the Batman, freaking classic of a movie, bro. This is awesome. This one needs appreciation of some good background. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, there you go. See? What about right here? See? Nah. Fucking throw it out, bro. Same shit, too. There you go. I don't know, bro. These are... I already have high expectations for these bad boys. I'm excited. Fuck. Right off the bat, these are even more fuller than this. That's fucking crazy. Look how full these are to the freaking rim. All right. Damn. Nice echo. Another 16 shot. Artwork is very beautiful. You know what? This background is beautiful for these cakes. All cowboy scene and shit. Here's another little background information on the cake. Pretty cool. Like I said earlier, I never heard of this Golden Rush Firework, but I don't know. This might be a new competitor to the market. Whatever their decision goes or direction. Damn. You guys will see if you guys ever pick up these cakes that the wrapping is freaking insane. I almost say it's next level just because how freaking thick these motherfuckers are. See that shit? Bro, what the hell? Also, too, There's only one fuse on this, so there's no way to miss it or to click something else or lit something else. So just another rule of thumb. These are full too. That's crazy. I mean, I ain't no expert, but these look nice. Quality and everything. Sheesh. I'm digging these, bro. I'm digging these. So far, damn, okay. Them bad boys fill up the sky. I don't want to say 10 and freaking outdoors give it a 6, you know? Oh, what is this on? Wheels. Yo, it's cool to see. I'm trying to think of another kick that I've seen right off the bat. As soon as you open it, it's full. So, I don't know if that's a big thing to know if it's a banger kick, but I don't know. I think it is. That shit just looks cool. That's like a horseman right there. Another 16 shots by the Golden Rush. Beautiful artwork. This is a performance right there. Like I mentioned, there's only one fuse, so there's really no way to hit the wrong fuse or miss it or whatever. It's on the side. Yeah. So let's do a, what is it called? Performance. Oh, nice. Little show. This is gonna be the bar one, so you guys can see. Put that right there so you guys can know what is what. The Batman. We have this one right here, and then this other one, the wheels. So here's the performance. Feel free to pause it. I'll try to leave it right here steady if you guys want to read all that junk. Here's a comparison to the bigger ones and then the medium ones, and then shortly we're gonna go to the short, the baby 200s. Pretty insane. Okay, we got this one. Let's see how many shots. Okay, so we got another 9 shot. So we got a 9 shot right here, the big one. We got a 16 shot, and we got a 9 shot for this assortment. I mean, you're getting a lot of shit for your money. So, I mean, it's probably better than Red Apple, yeah. Like I said, too, artwork is always beautiful on these cakes. That's pretty cool. Amazing. All right, let's see. Let's see if these are full, too. Oh, my God. They are. So far, I got nothing to complain about. The only thing I got to complain about is that they have this cardboard right here, and you got to pull that bitch out. That's the only thing, but these are full, too. Hell yeah, these are nice. I'm being serious. Like, I really like how this this wrapping feels. It feels like that nice wrapping paper from Target. Bro, look at that sky. It's art, bro. This is life right here. So we got that one right here. Nice. We got the Wise Owl. Check out that artwork really quick. performance. It actually tells you what it does. Huh. Can't read all that too much. I got one to burn. Pretty nice. I'm trying to see if we can catch them slipping, you know? Only one cake that has, or that's not as full. Same thing with these little ones too. Damn, look at this shit's full too. Kind of. Beautiful. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It only has one fuse. So I think for this whole assortment, it's only one fuse. So there's, like I said before, there's no way you can. Oh shit. What the fuck? Again. Can't mess it up or hit the wrong fuse. We got the moonshiner. That's crazy. Look at the artwork, dude. For this little ass cake, they got hella down on the detail. Fool's all drunk and shit. Oh, he's riding a pig. This is a performance. These are pretty nice and heavy. Looking around my surroundings, I thought I heard somebody. Okay. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Put that bitch in there. Another one too, full. Right on. Giddy up. Oh, this one's cool. Fucking rats. Is that rats? Yeah. This guy's on a sick one. Okay. I give it to them on the artwork. That's pretty cool. He went from very sick, or actually interesting because of anime, and then pretty cool, and now went to like funny. Hopefully you guys like this little quick series of an assortment. I'm not at my typical place where I do my into-depth video like this, so just bear with me. Hopefully you guys like it. Since I'm less talking, I'll just leave it like that. But regardless of that, make sure you guys like the video. Check out these tubes. Like I said multiple times, they're full. You are going to probably get your money's worth. And I'm already assuming and having faith in this just because how the tubes look. I don't know if that makes a big deal, but yeah. Freaking beautiful. Giddy Up by Golden Rush Fireworks. 9 shots. Here's the performance too as well. Pretty cool. Nice. Those crackles are nice for this size. I'm gonna set up a little bit forward. As I do that, gonna set up, get everything nice and ready, get some cool angles for y'all before I start recording. But here's the, before we show the performance parts, here's a Wise Owl. We got the other one right here. We got Giddy Up and then the Moonshiner. Yeah. So like I said, you guys can pause it if you guys want or not. But we got the baby 200 grams. I'm gonna just call this like a 350, and then we got like probably like a 500. A little show and tell really quick, because the next scene you guys see, it's gonna get blown up. Oh yeah. These are sick, bro. All right, let's go.